Set up a Google Analytics account. If you haven't already done so, set up a Google Analytics account and create a property for your website. Enable enhanced e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics. Go to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and select the property for your website. Under the View column, click on e-commerce settings and turn on Enable e-commerce and enable enhanced e-commerce reporting. Create a Google Tag Manager account. Go to the Google Tag Manager website and sign up for an account. Install the Google Tag Manager container code on your website. Follow the instructions provided by Google Tag Manager to install the container code on your website. Set up a Google Tag Manager container. Once the container code is installed, log into Google Tag Manager and create a new container. Create a Google Analytics tag. In the Google Tag Manager container, create a new tag for Google Analytics. Select Universal Analytics as the tag type and enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. Set up triggers for the Google Analytics tag. Create triggers to fire the Google Analytics tag on the appropriate pages of your website. For example, you may want to fire the tag on the checkout page or on the thank you page after a purchase has been made. Enable enhanced e-commerce tracking in Google Tag Manager. In the Google Tag Manager container, go to Variables and enable the enhanced e-commerce variable. This will allow you to track product impressions, clicks, and purchases. Set up enhanced e-commerce data layer. Set up a data layer on your website to send product information to Google Tag Manager. The data layer should include information such as the product name, ID, price, and quantity. Create custom enhanced e-commerce events. Use the data layer to create custom events for product impressions, clicks, and purchases. For example, you may want to create an event that fires when a user adds a product to their cart or when they complete a purchase. Test and publish your Google Tag Manager container. Once you have set up your tags, triggers, and variables, test your Google Tag Manager container to ensure that everything is working correctly. When you're ready, publish your container to start tracking enhanced e-commerce data in Google Analytics.